Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy for removing wrinkles and fine lines and get rid of wrinkles and fine lines naturally with very simple ingredients at home. You can prepare super effective remedy that removes the wrinkles and fine lines and will get you an amazing looking skin without side effects with all natural ingredients. The first ingredient we need to add in a clean mixing bowl add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of baby oil, then we need 1 egg and crack the egg like so. And we need the egg whites, then we need 1 lemon and cut it in half like so, and add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Now mix well all the ingredients. The remedy will turn to white color like so. That means it's mixed well and it's ready to use. Now my friends, apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust like so. Apply generous amount. And massage your skin with it like so. Leave it for 1 to 2 hours and then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, the result will amaze you. It removes the wrinkles and fine lines and it whitens the skin tone naturally.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.